Welcome to Yashoda Academy of Medical Education and Research. Let's embark on a fulfilling career in physiotherapy with Yashoda Hospitals. Our Bachelor's Physiotherapy program empowers you to assess, diagnose, and implement therapeutic solutions, offering diverse specializations and research opportunities. Why choose MPT, Cardiopulmonary, at Yashoda College of Physiotherapy? Yashoda College of Physiotherapy is not just any college, it's a place of excellence where we are affiliated with Yashoda Super Specialty Hospitals, Secunderabad.
This college has started with a BPT program in 2016 and now in 2023 we are heading for the master's program with 4 electives of sports, neurosciences and cardiopulmonary sciences and orthopedics. This course is affiliated with KNI University of Health Sciences, Warangal. And we have a very good collaborative team of senior academicians and clinical PTs to guide, train, teach and supervise the students. The curriculum is well designed with a good hands-on and clinical bedside teaching and also a research oriented program. I am sure the students joining here will come out with good confidence and turn to be a very good asset to the healthcare industry.
Our strength lies in our faculty. Experts in cardiology, pulmonology, cardiothoracic surgery, and transplant surgery. These are the minds that will shape your future. Our faculty includes the best clinical and academic MPT cardiopulmonary professionals from India's premier institutions. Here, our students receive hands-on training in critical care units, transplant units, and outpatient cardiopulmonary rehab. This isn't just theory, it's real-world experience.
Dedicated rehabilitation center where we provide bedside exercises and rehabilitation care and proper physiotherapy to improve the basic outcomes of the patient and reduce the mortality and morbidity in cardiac surgery and heart and lung transplant surgery.
Our top-tier teaching facilities and infrastructure provide students with a conducive learning environment that supports research and innovation. Advance your career and specialize in the evolving field of cardiopulmonary rehabilitation in transplant and critical care, covering ECMO, ventricular assist devices, and mechanical ventilators. Our postgraduates possess the expertise to provide tailored care in recovery programs, enhancing specialized knowledge to improve the quality of life. Cardiopulmonary physical therapy serves as the foundation for exercise physiology, encompassing various exercise protocols to regain strength, endurance, and agility in sports rehabilitation. Cardiopulmonary rehabilitation reduces the risk of hospital readmissions for patients with heart and lung conditions, thus alleviating the overall burden on the healthcare system. Our graduates can engage in research advancements, acquiring new skills and programs that contribute to better patient outcomes. Learn from the masters and become a master. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to take your career to new heights and secure your future in cardiopulmonary and transplant rehabilitation. Explore the world of advanced technology and robotic advancements.
I am sure the students who come here will walk out with flying colors with abundant knowledge and hands-on skills.